Hey, my name is Owen Edwards with Skid Steer Attachment Depot. Today we're going to look at the Stump Bucket Grapple. This grapple weighs 560 pounds. Up top we've got a 2x10 inch cylinder rated for 3,000 psi. We've got greasable pivot points, and so it's pretty heavy duty. These are 5x8 inch tongs. It's got 3x8 inch metal and then a 3x16 inch wrap on the bottom. All of it's A36 steel. On the bottom we've got 3 Pingo brand Weld tooth and shank with replaceable teeth. This grapple opens up 45 inches, and in just a second I'm going to hop in and let you guys see it operate.